Okay. Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, we're doing you know what? No backstory needed. You don't care. So, for this video, I want to talk about 5 things. I was gonna, no. 5 things that we're leaving behind in 2023. Today is January 2nd, 2024. It's a Tuesday. All is right with the world. Did you guys know that it's also a leap year? Anyway, so there's 366 days. Do you know anybody born on February 29th? Let me know in the comment section below. Okay. Now, the first thing we're leaving in 2023, we're not taking this into 2024, is procrastination. We are not going to put aside for tomorrow, which can be done today. Okay? We are not going to waste any more time. We're not. Issa Rae said it best. That email responded to. That project completed. That other project started. We're leaving behind procrastination. We're not taking we're not taking that with us into 2024. We're not. Okay? Another thing we're not taking into 2024, debt. So if that means finding other streams of income, which we all really and truly have to be doing anyways, because of the way the economy is set up, and it's really so much harder for one woman, for two Black women, everything is like 3 times harder. 3 times harder at least. So we're leaving behind debt. We are generating more income. There are so many ways to make money on either social media or here on YouTube, or whether it's selling a digital product or selling a physical product or teaching a class, whatever it is that you have in your skill set, monetize that. And I'm not saying monetize every single hobby that you have, because that is just going to take the joy out of having hobbies. But monetize the skills that you do have, the things that people want and probably need from you. Okay? And that extra income we're going to use to cancel out whatever debt that we have, whether it's credit cards, student loans, a car note, house, whatever your setup is. We're not carrying debts. We're not. We're leaving debts in the past. We're clearing it up. We're getting our credit together. We're figuring out life. Another thing we're leaving in 2023, bad friends. People who don't know how to congratulate. People who don't know how to support you emotionally. People who just don't know how to interact with you in social settings without it being them embarrassing you. People who never reply to your messages but always link you when they want something. Those are the people we're leaving in the past. Those are the people we're leaving into 2023. Those people, kick them off the wagon right now. Those people don't deserve your energy or your love. And if you are the bad friend, step away from those people and focus on you and work on yourself. And you know if you're the bad friend or not. And if you don't know, look within your friend group and see if you're the bad friend, if you're the flaky friend, if you're the bad friendships. That's what we're leaving. The 4th thing we're leaving behind is not knowing how to properly date. I've done too many videos. I have a book coming out, shameless plug. It's going to be called The Relationship Bible. And it's just going to be breaking down each phase of a proper relationship. And yes, I know I said proper, a proper relationship. From the talking phase So the dating phase to actually being exclusive, we're going to go through all of it. There is no one size fits all for anybody at all. But I feel like the advice that I have, we're going to leave bad dating practices in 2023. I don't want to hear, oh, chivalry is dead. No. We're leaving all of that behind. We're deading this 50-50 conversation. Oh my God. We're leaving that. We're leaving that. Just ashed my comforter. Oh no. The last thing we're leaving behind in 2023, we're not taking it into 2024, is bad energy. Whatever is making you sad and depressed, we're letting it go. And I know, easier said than done. Easier said than done. Especially if you're in a position where you've already passed certain stages or are actively trying to fix yourself. So easier said than done. But we are taking the necessary steps this year to be happier, to have a good aura, to only exude good, positive energy. Okay? That's what we're doing. We're leaving all the negative thoughts, all the negative actions, all the things that harm us, we're leaving behind. Okay? Okay. In the comment section, I want you to tell me what you are leaving behind in 2023. What are you not taking with you into 2024? I hope you enjoyed my list. I enjoyed recording this list. Until next time, peace sign and